So this is our smooth, perfect smooth brand. I wish you could feel it. It's no chaff in it of any kind. It's 100% pure smooth. Broken rice pieces on it. So when we say we sell quality, we sell quality and not quantity. Yeah, so most people like the quantity, but quality. Because when you feed your animal well, the result is different. So that's what we sell. That's it. That's it. I wish you could just feel it. If you could feel it, it looks like powdered milk. Looks like your Dano milk or your, this powdered milk. That's how it looks like. Very smooth. Okay.